Hey, what's up guys? Happy Saturday. We're going to do some Etsy shop reviews. This is episode 20 and we've got a banger of an Etsy shop. This one came as a recommendation from somebody that actually thought this might have been my Etsy shop. No, every good Etsy print on demand shop is not mine. This came from somebody though in my print on demand course. They wanted me to kind of do an audit of this shop and really show what they're doing to generate so many sales. I don't know if you can see from the thumbnail behind me, but they've got 51,000 sales. So let's get started. Quick reminder to take advantage of my weekly print on demand giveaway. It's completely free to enter and 2 winners are selected every single Sunday. This week, the winners will receive a license to Flying Research, which is my favorite print on demand niche research tool, AutomatePOD, which I use for print on demand design creation automation, All American Graphics, which is premium pre-made graphics to help you with your design efforts, and Bubble Scout for those Redbubble sellers. It's the only Redbubble niche research and validation tool. You'll find a link in the description. Also, while you're down there, I wrote a free 8-day print-on-demand mini course that walks you through the Etsy Printful integration. 1 lesson delivered to your inbox every day. Use the link in the description to take advantage of that. And before you leave, check out my print-on-demand Facebook group too. It's a great growing community. Everybody's helping each other out to scale their print-on-demand businesses. All right, let's get to this Etsy shop. So to date, I believe this is the most successful Etsy shop that we've reviewed. It's called Glory Tribe US. I will put a link to it in the description in case you want to check it out for yourself. Why don't we get to the evaluation and see what we can learn, all right? So first and foremost, that header image looks very good, very professional. It's also showing some of their finished products on the actual products. So, I mean, most customers don't know this is print on demand in the first place, but I think it's always good to kind of show like the manifestation of the product, you know, like when print on demand sellers look at it, we see a blank shirt and a design overlaid, but I think it's great to show the end result right there at the top, just kind of lead them straight into it. They got a very professional logo and they've got consistent branding in all the touch points. They've got, you know, in the banner, they've got it, you know, behind where I just was over here on the shop owner, and they've got it on the left-hand side there for the shop logo itself. And they got the name of the shop everywhere. So again, consistent branding, just looks more professional. 51,000 sales. And by the way, you want to hit refresh and see if they made a sale since we started this video. It's weird. Sometimes it happens. Ready? Refresh. All right. Nope. 51,040 sales. Maybe we'll come back to that after I finish the review. You can see that they've got some accolades from Etsy. It always is kind of a social proof, kind of confirmation. It says buyers are raving. This shop got multiple 5-star reviews in the past 7 days. They've got their about section at Glory Tribe US. We're all about having fun and loving what we do, etc. So they didn't use, I've seen people kind of utilize this space a little bit better, plug their social media, etc. Things like that. I think there's somebody that said, go to this link, give us your email address basically, and we'll give you a discount code that you can use on Etsy. That to me is extremely sharp. So it's surprising not to see a 51,000 sale shop not do that. But anyways, let's get to the shop. Let's keep it scoped on Glory Tribe. All right. So they only have a what? They have 51,000 sales and they only have 175 products. Is that possible? 175 products, 51,000 sales. By the way, look at what they do right here. So text and design chart. Are they actually selling anything? Heather maroon, small, 2, medium. Okay. So I think what they are doing here is this is probably like an add-on for specific colors or for certain product types. Like notice this here, like additional fees. So if you would like to purchase probably like a 3XL or something, you go and you add the additional fee to cart, and that's how they upcharge you for certain things. I believe, I think I read this somewhere. I only took a brief glance at the shop before I started recording, so my bad. So let's see what kind of shirts they've got. They got a pride fist right here. By the way, look at the framing of their products. The designs are the hero. You know, the product itself is not detracting anybody's attention away from the design because they understand the design is what sells. But they also show a lot of the product too. So they've got a really good approach to doing their mock-ups. All right, so let's see. It says $12.74 and they're running a sale, so 25% off. It doesn't surprise anybody, right? Shirt size, and notice when we open up this shirt size thing behind me, the prices go up. So if you missed my video where I compared Printful to Printify, it was kind of deceiving that like Printify looks like they're cheaper when in reality for t-shirts, Printful is actually cheaper, especially when I looked at my Etsy shop sales and my most common type of shirt was a black color size large t-shirt. So if you go to unisex size large right here, it goes up to 1874. I wonder if it changes by, do they not have black? Where's black? They've got to have black. White, red, pink, maroon, teal, burnt orange, athletic. Do they not have black t-shirts? What? Okay, so changing the color did not increase the price. I wonder if certain ones do though. Interesting. Doesn't seem like it. But that's very weird. So they have less than 200 products and they don't have a black t-shirt and they have that many sales. That is kind of crazy. Okay, anyways, you can see here how they kind of approach their listings. They lead with the primary thumbnail that has the design featured in the biggest print. And then if you kind of click some of these other ones, okay, they're about the same size. But they got a pink shirt, black shirt, which is a little bit misleading because I still don't see black on the options here, unless I'm like blind. I keep staring at it like waiting for it to pop up. I don't see it. They got the color chart, size and color charts. So it looks like they're selling like one type of t-shirt most likely. And it's probably what the Bella Canvas is from what we can see there in the tag when we zoom in. So they've got various colors available. They also say that this is available on baby t-shirts, baby onesies, anything else here, toddler shirts, youth shirts, tank tops. So guys, take notes. This is a great way of enabling all these other product types on your listings by uploading this set of kind of streamlined, standardized images and only posting t-shirts. So that if somebody wants it on a tank top, they message you and then you go and you say, hey, add the additional fee right here. For a tank top, add 2. Okay, and then 280 goes to 560. You see what I'm saying? Like they're very strategic in how they're doing this. And this is actually a really interesting way of not having to create a bunch of additional Etsy listings for a similar design when you can just, again, have them, add it to cart and then add the additional fees. So take a note of that one. That's really good. How to order t-shirt. Let's see what they say over here behind me. Please check and review all photos. Step 2, choose your size from the drop-down menu and add each shirt to your cart at one time. 3, select your shirt color from drop-down 2, which is shirt color. Adults round neck shirt are available in all colors. Shirt are available. It could be a typo. Could be that the seller's like not from maybe English as a second language. Youth shirts are limited with only black, white, red. Okay, so limited. Toddler shirts, baby onesies. Step 4, choose your text color. Please add your text color onto the personalization box. Interesting. But they don't have personalization on this shirt. Okay. So I guess maybe they have some flexibility there with text color on certain listings. Step 5, your shipping will automatically combine when ordering multiples. Step 6, check out all at once when the correct color and quantity has been added. 7, finally, your custom shirt will be ready to ship in 1 to 3 business days. Holiday times may affect the handling times. And then they put care instructions. Guys, click the link and check this shop out for yourself. Maybe save this. Like I typically keep a notepad open. Granted, I was a web developer, so I'm used to that, but I'll just keep like a tab called reference and I'll put like some keywords so that I can search it and find it anytime I need to see it. Because I think this is actually a good use of the description area on Etsy, which I don't believe gets indexed. So I'm pretty sure what really matters on Etsy is like your title, your tags, and then of course conversions, right? Because search, find, buy, all the algorithms know to optimize for search, find, buy. So we've learned quite a bit already from just kind of scrolling through this shop. But what I really want to see, let's go to their reviews. What are people buying with less than 200 products? And that many sales. Like, I don't know. I just scrolled through their photo reviews and I don't see too many like overlaps. So maybe it's a lot of customized products. That may be the best sellers. Like maybe it's something like this, like Mr. and Mrs. aprons, bridegroom gift, etc. So Mr. apron, Miss apron. Where's the? I was expecting to see personalization, but I don't see it. So what are they selling? Anybody have any idea? Drop me a comment in the description below. 4th of July, monster truck, 4th of July. A lot of just generic stuff, by the way, too. Hello spring, lucky, generic like St. Patrick's Day stuff. This is interesting. Cinco de Mayo, chaos coordinator, mom life. A lot of this standard kind of style design that we see getting pulled from Amazon merch for some reason, but of course Etsy lets pretty much anything fly. And I'm not even judging. I don't know why they get pulled from merch, but I know that that leopard print, especially like when it's on the tongue, gets pulled all the time. Kind of the Burberry style print right there. I like the way the shirt looks though, and with the glitter and everything. I mean, that looks really great. I don't know if they're designing them themselves or if they've got like professional graphic designers, but really well executed designs there. So, I mean, they basically check all the boxes, guys. Like, this is what you would expect to see from a top tier Etsy shop. They're not doing, I mean, just based on at a glance, they're not doing too much with like coupons. Like I've said, I kind of always reference when we do Etsy reviews that people can do some like really advanced coupon strategies, but it looks like these guys are just kind of taking a glance at all the generic bestsellers from Amazon and just bringing them over to their Etsy shop and kind of putting their own spin on them. I'm still waiting to see something that jumps out at me though, like Road Trip. All right, we saw a whole family wearing this shirt. It says bestseller. Okay, there you go. This may be it. All right, Road Trip. They're aiming at the whole family. By the way, take note of that thumbnail. That is amazing. I mean, I don't know how they're doing this, but that looks really good. And I wonder if the shirt actually comes out looking that way, because they're showing like gradient gold and gradient silver that looks almost like foil, but we know that's probably not how it's printed. They have the personalization right here, and notice how they do their personalization as well. Right under personalization, it says, please check all the photo details, enter the existing graphic color, thanks. So that means a little bit confusing. I'm sure with a shop this big, it's probably a full-time job just responding to inquiries about, you know, what to do when you check out. By the way, I just noticed when I opened up that tab that they went from 51,040 sales in the span of 10 minutes to 51,041 sales. So what have we been doing? Not even 10 minutes and they've already made a sale. Yeah, these guys are absolutely making a killing on Etsy. And let me know if you have any like questions about the shop or feedback. If I missed where the black t-shirt was hiding on that listing, let me know, because I was like staring at it, like waiting for it to appear, and it did not. But anyways, guys, thank you for checking out this video. Do me a quick favor before you leave, drop a like on it and let me know what you thought in the comments below, and subscribe if you're not already. I appreciate you, appreciate your time. I'll see you guys soon.